This is how you make the beaded lizard. You're going to first look at the instruction page. You're going to see the diagram, and you're going to get two different colors of beads. The one that has the most, so mine is blue, is going to be the light color. And the one that's next, so mine is yellow, is going to be the dark colors. And then the either white or the black are going to be your eyes. So you're going to first take your string, and you're going to half your string, and you're going to put your keychain on it. So you're going to make a loop, and then you're going to pull through the string all the way on the loop. That way you have your keychain and it's nice and tight. You're going to put that up, and then you're going to begin. So the first one I have is a green, so that will be my blue because that is the most. And you put in the string on one side, and then on the other string you're going to shove that through. So see how I have two that are sitting right there, and then you pull it through. And that's how you have your first part of your bead. You're going to continue on. So the next one shows that I have two of the light, so that is my blue. So I put two of those beads in, and then I do my other string, and I shove that through. See how I have two parts? And I pull both of those together. Then the next one, I have my two eyes. So I'm going to do a white, then my light color, my light green, so that's my blue, and then another eye. And then same thing. I take my other side of my string, and I shove it through. Now it's okay if you want to start with the other side. I'm a lefty, so I start with my left side, but you can also start with the right side of the string too. And then you pull that through. Now you can see my beginning of my lizard. So then the next line, I have just two. And you continue on of doing all your lizard. And these lizards will be great to put on your backpack or to hold your library card, all those fun things. You know what? And if you accidentally make a mistake, like for instance, I have two and then two, then you can always just take it off, though I did not make a mistake. Next, I have the arms. Do you see the arms? So what you do is you're going to take just one part of your string, and you're going to bead through. So I have two that are next. Okay. And then I'm going to add my three little hand pieces. So this is when I get to first use my other color. And I'm just going to put three on like this. And then what I do is I take, see the two pieces right here? So I take these two pieces and I put my string through that pieces all the way through. And then it automatically makes your little arms. And I'll do the same on the other side. So I'll do my two blues, and then my three yellows. 1, 2, 3. And then I'll take my string on this side and I'll pull it through these two other blue pieces. And I'll pull it straight all the way through. And those are my little lizard legs, or arms, feet. And then I continue on through. So same thing when you do the legs, and then the tail, and then you'll tie it off. Now I'm starting to finish up with the tail, alternating between the two colors. So I've got blue and yellow. You can make the tail as long or as short as you'd like. Give you enough beads to make a nice long tail. And then I'm finishing up with the yellow. And there is my very cute beaded lizard. At the end, I would just take your string. I would make sure that this feels nice and tight. And then I would just do a simple knot right at the end of your lizard. And then you can cut off the extra if you'd like. And there it is. Very cute.